Today we are going to discuss about perfect passive voice. Perfect passive voice. Okay, so
Yeah.
I will ask question in English. You have to just translate in Hindi. Okay, okay. The cake has been baked by Mary.
Okay, the cake has been baked by Mary. So मैरी के द्वारा केक बनाया जा चुका होगा, चुका है,
Okay. Yes, yes. The letter
बनाया जा
has
चुका है.
been that letter has been written by John.
लेटर जॉन के द्वारा लिखा जा चुका है.
Okay.
Yeah,
The
you are
house
audible.
has been the house has been cleaned by the maid.
Okay, the house has been cleaned. साफ किया by the maid. मेड के द्वारा घर को साफ किया जा चुका है.
Yes, किया जा चुका है. Yes, yes. The book has been read by many students.
बुक किताब कई स्टूडेंट्स के द्वारा पढ़ी जा चुकी है.
Project has been completed by the team.
टीम. ओके, तो टीम के द्वारा प्रोजेक्ट कंप्लीट किया जा चुका है.
Yes. The song has been sung by the famous singer.
ओके, तो फेमस सिंगर के द्वारा, एक प्रसिद्ध गायक के द्वारा गाना गाया जा चुका है.
Okay. And the picture has been painted by the artist.
आर्टिस्ट के द्वारा पिक्चर को पेंट किया गया है.
Yes.
किया
The
गया है
mail
या किया.
जा चुका है. The same. Okay. The meal has been cooked by the chef.
ओके, द मील.
Yep.
सो खाना शेफ के द्वारा बनाया जा चुका है.
Yes. The document has been signed by the manager.
या तो मैनेजर के द्वारा डॉक्यूमेंट्स को साइन किया गया है.
Yes. So these all are perfect passive voice.
या परफेक्ट. या
Yes.
प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट.
Yes. So these all are I have written. Then it is a
ओके.
past perfect passive voice when when we use had. Just like cake
हैड.
had been baked by Mary. तो केक जो है मैरी द्वारा बनाया गया था.
यस.
Yes, everywhere we have to use had.
Had. Yeah, instead of has have we use had.
Yes, and I have a doubt. That we can use have as well. We can use
Yeah.
have as
Yes,
well in
we
a
can use
perfect.
has and
Okay.
yes. However, we use has have in perfect continuous perfect tense. So
Yes.
in that way, we can also use has have in perfect tense of voice.
Yes. Yes. But when we are using just
Isn't?
like the cake has been baked by me, so that has been the same way. There is has been
Has.
we are
Yeah.
using. Yes.
Cake is singular. The cake is
Yes.
singular.
Yes. When something is
Okay.
plural, so then we can use have.
Use have.
Yes. Please give me some
Once.
examples so that what happened.
Okay. So letters, not letter.
Letters.
Letters have posted, has been posted. Letters have been posted.
Okay,
Okay.
letters have been
And
posted.
letters have been posted.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
And cake, you cake. But
Yes,
cakes
yes,
have been cooked. Cakes have
yes.
been baked or cooked.
Okay, okay. So
Okay.
that's why
When
because
the
I
one
use has. Yes,
Yeah, when it is a single cake, so we can say the cake has been cooked, baked. Okay, But when we are talking about 2 or 3 cakes, so that time we can say cake have been.
Okay, have been. Okay, that's good.
Okay.
Yes. Yes, it's the same. But in a past, we are using had one.
The past, there is one verb, only one
Had.
verb had. In the
Yes.
past tense, we used to use only one verb,
Had.
had.
Yes, just like the
Yeah.
cake had
Not
been baked.
the,
Yes.
yeah.
Okay.
For
Is there
every
any?
for
Yes.
every subject, we can use had in past.
Okay, that's good
Yeah.
because I haven't
And future
used any
also we
have.
can use will have. Will have
Will.
for
Yes.
the
Yes.
all subject, for all.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. That's okay. So, do you have any other example of?
Okay, so I did not write, but I will say in orally. Okay,
Okay, you can ask.
I will give Hindi.
Okay.
For past, you have to use
Past.
in past. Okay,
Okay.
you have to use past had been.
Okay.
Okay. घर को पेंट किया जा चुका था.
The house had been painted.
Yeah, the house has been painted. जब मैं वहां गया तो डॉगी को नहलाया जा चुका था.
Okay, when I reach there, the doggy has been uh, taken bath, given bath, given
Even
given
one.
bath.
Yeah. And जब तक तुम आए तब तक डिसीजन लिया जा चुका था.
Until you unless you come, no. जब तक तुम आए,
Till I think
till you come, till you come, the decision has been taken. The decision
had
has
been
been
taken.
taken. Has been taken.
Yeah. And you told me that we use made for the decision.
Yes,
Decision
yes,
had been made.
made. Yes, yes, that made. Yeah, taken a decision with the we use a decision with the make or made. Yeah, in the past tense made. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. I remember.
So,
Okay.
and what should I say? Okay, पौधे लगाए जा चुके थे.
The plants पौधे लगाए जा चुके थे. The plants has been the plant has been planted. Has been planted.
Yes. Plants had been planted. Yes.
Planted.
And उसे बुलाया जा चुका था. मेरे कहने से पहले उसे बुलाया जा चुका था.
Okay. Before I say he has been called. He has been called or he
Yeah,
has
he
been invited. Yes.
invited. Yes.